Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John. Thanks, Pocky. What's inside? Oh, it's a Thomas train. Which train is it? Flynn. Let's play an app. Let's play Hair Salon Me. It's fun music. So we can either take a picture of ourselves or we can use a picture that we already have. Let's use that. How's that? Okay. There's me. Okay, so we have to line up where the eyes are. Okay, and where the mouth is. Okay, let's try that. Whoa! Whoa! That is crazy. Does that look like me? Not really. Let's comb the hair down a little. I think we're gonna have to change this hair because that does not look like Mrs. John. What do you think? Might be a fun look. Some curly hair. I don't know. I don't know what I think about that. I think we should grow the hair out a little bit, maybe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're getting all of it grown out. That's a great, great way to grow it out, I guess. Let's comb it out. Let's see. Did it all grow? I don't think all of it did. Did it? Maybe it did. What do you think? Huh. That looks better. Better, but I don't know if that's the look I'm going for. Let's see. What other options do we have? Or we can curl it. Let's see. Oh, that's very curly. Is that too curly? Straighten it out. No, I think it needs to have some curl to it. Maybe, oh, that's a really scary sound. Sounds like it's sizzling like bacon. That's curly. Okay, let's see. Oh, we can change the color. Let's change the color. That's the color of Mrs. John's hair. What do you think? It's closer, right? Huh. Let's, whoa, whoa. That's, not exactly how I would want my hair to be. I mean, that's I really like the curl. Let's wash it. Okay. How do we rinse it out? Maybe we just blow dry it? Do we blow dry it out? Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, okay. I don't know how to change this hair to not be either up or weird. Oh. Wouldn't that be crazy if this is actually how blow dryers work? That's kind of cool. Let's go with that. And let's comb it out a little bit. Oh, yeah, we can style it with the comb. Sort of. Oh, okay. There we go. That gives it more. There we go. We cannot make it be so crazy. It's cute. That's probably more like what I looked like when I was younger, before I had to put my hair in bun. Oh, maybe we should cut it a little bit. Just clip some of it so we can. Oh, that's cute. Still a little bit crazy, but okay. I like the body it has. All those curls. So cute. There. What do you think? It has some personality to it. That's cute. Get a little bit of there. That looks sassy. A sassy bob. All right, there's me. And oh, we can choose a background. What other things can we do? We have other options. Okay, so we can do ties and cute. We'll have that on. Okay. And I don't need a mustache. Oh, different hats. That's a lot of different options. Okay, I saw one. I saw a beret. That was cute. Or maybe that. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe that's too much. Yeah. Whoops, that's what I wanted. Let's see if I can find that again. Is it yellow? There it is. A beret. Can I? Oh, ah. Oh, or that. Can I make that bigger? Whoa! You can make that really big. I don't think that's the look I'm going for anyway. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Ah. Too much yellow? I don't know. That's cute. That's a huge beret. What do you think? I like it. I like it. Okay, so now we can do a background. What color background do we... Whoa! That's not what I meant to do. It's a lot of yellow. That's a gray color. I like that one. So let's see what else there is. Blue. I like the blue. go with that one. Take our picture. And there it is. What? That's awesome. So there, you can play this game too. It's really cool. You can put your face in it and make your hair be crazy. And that's so fun.
Did you find my baby chick? Thank you for coming to visit me today. Have a lovely day.